In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Content Calendar. If you want a simple way to organize your content planning inside Monday.com, this setup is a great place to start. Instead of building everything from scratch, you'll use one of Monday.com's built-in templates designed specifically for content and social media planning. That saves time and gives you a ready-made structure you can customize later. To begin, open your Monday.com workspace and look for the plus icon beside the workspace name. Go ahead and click that icon. This is where you create something new inside your workspace, so it's the starting point for setting up your content calendar. From the menu that appears, click on Board. In Monday.com, a board is the main place where your information lives. For a content calendar, this is where you will eventually manage posts, deadlines, and planning details in one organized view. Next, choose Start with Template Template. This is an important option because it allows you to skip the manual setup process. Rather than creating columns and workflows yourself, you'll begin with a structure that's already designed for content management. Once you're in the template gallery, click on Content Production. This category includes templates related to planning, creating, and tracking content. If you're using Monday.com for marketing or social media's organization, this is the right section to explore. After that, click on Social Media Planner. This template is especially useful for content calendars because it's designed to help you manage upcoming posts and keep everything visible in one place. It gives you a practical foundation, which is helpful whether you're planning content for yourself, a team, or a business. Now click on Use Template. This tells Monday.com to add the selected template into your workspace as a new board. At this point, the platform will begin creating the board for you using the pre-built layout. Once you've clicked it, wait for it to load. Depending on your connection and workspace, this may only take a few seconds. Give it a moment to finish so the board can open properly. And that's it. You've now created a content calendar in Monday.com using the Social Media Planner template. Starting with a template is one of the easiest ways to get organized quickly, especially if you want a clean system without spending extra time building one from scratch. From here, you can review the board and begin adapting it to match your content workflow.